Hi guys, after a long break, we are finally back. And yeah, from now we will be meeting more frequently. So, in this video, we are going to do question number 10th, 11th, and 12th of exercise 13.4 areas related to circle of 10th RD. So, we shall start with the video. Here's question number 10th. This is saying that a rectangular park is 100 meter by 50 meter. It is surrounded by a semicircular. It is surrounded by semicircular flowers beds all round. This means that all on all the four edges of rectangular park, semicircular grounds are constructed. Okay, so we need to find the cost of leveling the semicircular flower beds at rupees 60 paisa per square meter. We need to use the value of pi as 3.14. So I have made the figure for this question. This is the figure. This is the rectangular field which is 100 by 50, and on all the edges semicircular plots are drawn. So for the cost, we need to find the area as we are having rate. So area multiplied by rate is will give us cost. Okay. So for the area, we need to find the area of these four semis. We can do it by if we look here, there are two semis with the same radius and two semis with another same radius. Means these two are having same radii and these two are having same radii. If we look in this, we will find that diameter is 50, so radius will be 25. So this means that there are two semicircles, this one and this one, with radius 25 and two with radius 50. Okay, so we have written it here. 2 multiplied by pi r square by 4. Actually, it was the diameter, that's why I have written by 4. And here as well, pi 50 square upon 4, and upon 1 by 2 is to represent the semicircle here as well. So now we will take pi common here, and the rest will be this thing. After calculating it all and putting the value of pi as 3.14, we will find the area. I am not calculating it here. I'm not cancelling the terms, as they could get cancelled out after the further calculations. In the further calculation here, for the cost, we will multiply the rate into area. Rate was 60 paisa per meter square, so this much meter square is the area and this is the rate. So cost will be this thing, rupees 5887.5. So this is the question number 10th. Now we shall read the question number 11th. Here's question number 11th. This is saying that the inside perimeter of a running track shown in figure 13.75 is 400 meter. Here is the figure, this one, 13.75. So this is showing that the length of each of the straight portion is 90 meter and the ends are semicircular. If the track is everywhere 14 meter wide, find the area of the track. Also find the length of the outer running track. Okay, we have drawn figure here. Now, this was saying that the straight line all over the track are 90 meter long and the width is 14 meters, and these semicircular tracks are at the edges, means at the end of this straight track. So for the inside perimeter, if we see the inside thing, it is twice of the 90 and 2 pi r, means this one pi r and this one pi r. So this will construct a circle, as these two are semicircles. So circumference of the circle will be 2 pi r. Here we have written it. Now actually we are doing this all like calculating the inside perimeter just to find out the radius of these semicircles. As if we put this value equal to 400, which is given in the question, we will be able to find out the radius. So here by calculating, we will find that the radius will be 70 by 2, which is 35 meters. Okay, Now for the outer perimeter, the straight length will be 90 itself, and it will be 2 pi r1, as 14 meter is the width, so there will be an increase of 14 meter in the radius. Now after calculating this, we will get that outer circumference or perimeter, whatever you can say, it will be 488 meters square. Now one more thing we need to find here, which is the area. So if we look here, the area could be, if we look here, we need to find the area of this track. Okay, this whole track. So if we see here, it is forming a rectangle, two rectangles and two rings, means two half rings, which will constitute to form one ring, like half ring here, half ring here. So first we will find out the area of two rectangles. Here this thing is 14 and this is 90, so we can find the area of two rectangles, which is 90 into 14 into 2, and two semi rings, the area of which will constitute one ring, and we know that the area of ring is pi r1 square minus pi r2 square. Here we will take pi common, the rest will be r1 square minus r2 square. So by calculating this all, we will find the area of ring as 3696, and the area of those two rectangular paths was 2520, so it will sum up to 6216 meters square. This is the ending of question number 11th, and this is all, or we should do one more question. Yeah, we can do this question. Let me show you the question statement of the question. This question is saying that we need to find the area of figure 13.76. Correct one place of decimal. Okay, up to one place of decimal we need to find the area of this figure. Here I have constructed something. I have joined these two. Let me name these parts. Let it be A, this be B, it be C, and this one be D. So we have joined AD here. Okay, now for the area, if we see, we can find the area by adding the area of the semicircle. Okay, we can break this whole figure into parts for finding the area. This is semicircle, this is triangle, and this is rectangle. This thing A, this triangle which is forming here is not in the figure, so we don't need this area, so we can exclude this area by subtracting this triangle from this rectangle. Okay, so the area of this rectangle will be 10 by 10. Actually it's a square. Okay, so 10 by 10, we have the area of square as 100. I have written here area of rectangle or square, or you can say 100, and area of triangle as 6 into 8 by 2, as it's a right angle triangle, so base into height upon 2. So area of triangle will be 24 and area of rectangle is 100, so rest will be 100 minus 24, which will be 76. Now 76 plus the area of the semicircle. Area of semicircle will be pi r square by 2. R is 5 here, as this whole is 10. Okay, so the area of semicircle, whatever it will be, and the sum of whole figure will come out to be 115.25. And as we were required to find the value up to one decimal, then we will round it off up to 10 place, or 1/10 of the decimal place, and it will come out to be 115.3 centimeters square. So thank you guys for watching the video till now, and if you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe, and please share it with your friends. Thank you.